One of the things that I do regularly, and it's related to finances, but it's also related to business, is I have a lot of business tools that I use that I pay on a monthly basis. And, over time, you just need to evaluate those and see, how much am I using this software or this service? And even in your personal life, like I'm good for starting a free trial. And then next thing you know, I'm like paying for something and I'm like, when was the last time I used this service? And it happens. And you just need to kind of think about look at all of your finances. What's coming out of your bank account? And because those ACH withdrawals are so easy to overlook and miss because they come out automatically. So you just want to be aware of what you're paying for and eliminate things that